So next is why DevOps, right? We saw what is DevOps, where it came from, and then why is it even required, right? So here I've listed some of the benefits or why we think we need DevOps, and we'll go through that one by one. And so the first thing is DevOps provides a stability and consistency. So DevOps is one thing where we automate the overall process once, and the same automated process is used to build and deploy the application every time. So the deployments, your build and everything gives you the stability of the application. Also, since it's automated, you have a consistent process, and there is no manual intervention. Everything is consistent, and you see a same set of tasks built and deployed with no new issues or manual issues. That saves a lot of time with respect to troubleshooting and fixing the same kind of issues. And the customer experience, as I said, you instead of waiting weeks together, you in case of if you have a DevOps, you can release new features faster in every sprint and get the feedback from customer, which improves the overall experience for customer, where he gets new features and new applications very often, so that he doesn't get what he doesn't need. Right, so that's one, and then faster ROI. So when you invest, similar typically it is the products, you are investing the people or the tools, and you want to see whether your product works on the market or not, right? So the DevOps will help you to quickly develop the application and deploy the new features or new features and new application quicker and faster, and then see if it works or not, so that you can take a call on how to either change the direction of the product or add new features which will help the customer. And the continuous improvement part, as in the DevOps world, you get a feedback almost immediately. When you do a commit, you get if there's an error in your code, you'll get a feedback that your code is not working. Then you go ahead and fix it. And if the customer is not happy with the feature, then you get that feedback and you go ahead and improve the feature or add new features. So the improvement cycle in case of a DevOps is quicker. Anything you do, you get a feedback, you work on it, you improve the process or the product, right? And self-sustaining process, since it's all automated, and then metrics and analytics are there. Once it is automated and tested, the process will be able to manage itself to take care of, say, the whole deployment cycle or build cycle, and then help you to focus on application development and the other core parts of the product. And monitoring, as I said, everything that is done in a DevOps environment, there are metrics. There will be metrics. There will be notifications and emails sent out saying that there is some issue in the product or issue in the code, issue in the deployment. You get continuous monitoring feedback and analytics, which can be used to improve the process or the tools or the code or the development itself. So that's where monitoring is a key part of DevOps, where the feedback helps to improve the process faster. And data-driven process, as I said, everything is there is a analytics and a metrics for each and every process of a CI/CD that will help you to know whether the DevOps is helping you or not. So accordingly, you take a call to improve the process, which will reduce or which will improve the overall efficiency of the delivery. So these are some of them. There are a lot more, and I just try to put a few in this core benefits. Okay, so now that we understood why we need and where it is used and how it came up and what are the advantage, we'll spend some time on understanding some of the key terminologies we generally use in a CI/CD or a DevOps world. So again, I don't know if any of you are in a company working, then if you're working somewhere, then you would have heard some of these terms, or you are part of the team who developed this, but the idea here is to give that basic introduction to all the terms that we use and give an idea of that.